Jeremiah here from Babbling in my backyard. I noticed that one of my koi got Popeye the other day, so I decided to make a video just showing how to treat Popeye. This just took about 3 days, so I noticed it Friday. So Friday afternoon I set up a hospital tank and got this going, and then pulled him out, got him in here Friday afternoon. It's now Monday morning and he's ready to go back in the pond. For setting up the hospital tank, I like to use an API product called Stress Coat. It also has aloe vera in it, so it's helping to replace that slime coat, and it's helping to heal fish and reduces the stress. There is a link in the description below for this product. I normally buy it in the half-gallon jug, but I had a smaller one for the aquarium inside. So I'll mix the stress coat in with the water, and I also need to get it to the same temperature as the pond. I'm putting a small pump inside of this tank to make sure that the water is circulating, oxygenating the water while also circulating when I put the medicine in. So the medication is a product from Mardel. There's also a link for this in the description below, but this is the stuff that I've used more recently. I've used some other products for Popeye in the aquariums in the past inside. This one seems to do the quickest work for me. All of them should work for you. Sometimes you can get liquid instead of powder, but based off of the amount of water in here, I'm going to use 3 packets. And that's just for the first day. The second day, I will add another packet. The third day, I would add another packet. So now I gotta go get the fish. The hospital tank is set up. So now I gotta go get him out of the pond and bring him over. I would normally like to use a bigger tank than this for this size of a fish. This is a pretty small tub for this fish, but it'll work for medication. If I were to use a tank like this, which I have used in the past for a hospital tank, it requires so much more medication and it's harder to dose it correctly. It costs a lot more. So for this case, the smaller tub works better.
It is important also to put the lid on there before you go in for the night, or you're not watching the fish, in case that fish tries to jump out or a predator comes over and checks out what's inside this box. I've never had an issue where a predator came over here to go into the pond, but I've never had them come under my deck over here. But just in case, I don't want them to look in there and see some sitting fish.
So even just overnight in this medication, the fish looks way better already. This eye is looking fantastic for how short of a time this has been. I'm going to continue this by adding today another packet to this tub, and I'm going to keep checking out the water, and I'm going to keep doing the same pattern. So this water will get kind of ugly looking. So make sure you keep testing it. I tested this daily while he was in here just to make sure that the levels didn't get out of control and make him sick from something else. The water's not pretty, but I did a water change one time while he was in there on the second day, and it gets pretty nasty looking pretty quick. So truthfully, Sunday evening, I thought about putting him back in the pond, but I just figured if one more night in the hospital tank wouldn't hurt him. So that's what I ended up doing, was just leaving him in for one more night. But he probably could have been back in Sunday night, so from Friday night to Sunday night, and he was good. I just waited till Monday morning to put him back. So I'm going to use my sock net, scoop him up, get him back over there into the pond. Unfortunately, he wouldn't eat while he was in there in the hospital tank. So I'm hoping that he goes after this food pretty quick here in the pond. Alright, that does it for this video. Hopefully you got something out of it, and if you did, please make sure you go like and subscribe to the channel. We got lots of great videos always coming. For this one, from day one of noticing the Popeye, day two, really showing a lot of relief from that Popeye, and by Sunday, Monday morning, back to normal. Update on this fish is that it has passed, and not because of the Popeye, but because a raccoon got into my pond and it took 4 of my fish. This just happened to be one of them. For the last couple months, this fish has been living just fine with no Popeye and no other issues. But unfortunately, it did not make it through the raccoon.